In this bulletin, tens of thousands of motor vehicle testing stations in the UK are told to purchase their own printers. Hello, I'm David Gibbons and here is the news. For the last 15 years, the UK government has supplied computers and printers to motor vehicle testing stations throughout the country. But in the next few weeks, all that will change.
So for the past 14 years or so, the government's provided our computer systems for the MOT centres. Siemens run the system. Basically they're removing all of the computers from all the stations, and you have to provide your own.
More than 100,000 Ministry of Transport or MOT registered centres across the UK are affected. Now they have been told they must hand back their computers and printers and replace them at their own expense. Every UK MOT garage will have to buy, install, maintain and support its own IT equipment to access the government's new cloud MOT processing service.
So then now we've got to start finding solutions. You've got to find printer maintenance, you've obviously computer maintenance, you've got to have broadband that works correct, and everything else. You could end up with a whole host of problems.
And they need to actually buy that equipment themselves and actually support it themselves as well. Obviously this is an extra expense that the garages wasn't expecting. Plus also the garages will struggle from a support point of view, because what they want to do is provide a great service to their customers, which is fixing their vehicles and making sure they keep the cars on the road.
A group of Cartridge World stores in the UK has stepped in to provide MOT garages with a one-stop print and IT solution.
So what we've done is we've come up with our service, which is called MOT Printing Solutions, and what it does, it provides the garages with a complete service.
Cartridge World will supply, install, train and fully maintain the necessary equipment with an unlimited supply of ink for as low as $14.99 per month.
Or we'll also supply a PC, laptop or a tablet to go with that printer, fully support that equipment again, install it, maintain it, train them on it for $29.99 plus VAT.
According to Cartridge World, garages can be supplied with a PC on a desk, or they can choose to have a tablet, making it easier to get vehicle data recorded into the MOT system without leaving the vehicle. They also claim all necessary on-site training will be provided to mechanics and staff to ensure a smooth transition to the new government requirements.
And what we do, we wrap it up into a maintenance support contract that if the equipment goes down, we'll guarantee to get to site within 4 working hours and fix it for them, so they can rest assured that their MOT processing equipment will be up and running as fast as possible and they won't lose money.
Just 1 year ago, Cartridge World's Darren Turner started an Infinity program giving his home and small business customers an endless supply of ink with a printer for as little as $9.99 per month. The new MOT Printing Solutions program will provide garages with a similar kind of service.
It's been a phenomenal success. We've got now over 300 contracts out there, and customers are saving about 60% on their printing, which is fantastic for them and fantastic news for us.
And for other industry news and enterprise developments, go to this month's Recycling Times magazine with Laserland's Steve Michelin on the front cover. And for daily breaking news, visit irecyclingtimes.com. See you soon with more breaking news. I'm David Gibbons.